You didn't really believe I could change, did you?
I can't believe it. The day I have to arrest the one I love? I'm sorry. I had no choice. Please forgive me.
Blaming Cappuccino worked. Now the money's mine.
Hi, everyone. I'm the chief, and Cappuccina and I took care of the donation fund.
Let's open the box together, nice and fair.
Are you trying to do this again?
What are you talking about?
I know everything! You did all this and now you're blaming me again?
Clever girl, but so what? Who's going to believe you? I'm the police chief.
Well, what are you doing?
Don't worry, they'll believe me. Then I'll take all this money and disappear.
You heard that loud and clear, didn't you?
Lolo! You're under arrest for false accusation and embezzlement!
I'm sorry. I should have trusted you. It was all my fault. Please forgive me.
Thank you for clearing my name.
Hurry up, I'm almost out of time. It's my turn. A crystal heart? I can't believe my eyes. Who is the other half?
So it was you?
She looks like that and still got luck. Unbelievable. She's such an eyesore.
Are you really the other half of my heart?
Yes.
It must be a system error. You look absolutely pathetic.
I'm your other half, you petty jerk. I will change. I believe love conquers all.
Why are you still standing there? We have to live together for 7 days to complete the emotional verification process. This is your house? This dump?
Home is where the heart is. Doesn't matter if it's shabby or grand.
How can anyone live in a place like this?
You must be hungry. I cooked something. Eat up.
Do I look like a cow to you? Why are you feeding me only vegetables? You eat it yourself. I can't swallow it. Hello, I'd like to order express food delivery. How could you possibly be the other half of my heart? Where's your bedroom?
This way, let me show you.
This place is so rundown and there's only this tiny bed?
You sleep on the bed, I'll sleep on the floor. Things will get better soon. I made you some breakfast. I have to go out for a bit. I'll be back later.
She just wants to win me over. Such a pathetic poor girl. She doesn't even have an air conditioner. I can't take this anymore. Nothing's more satisfying than a good pee. I think we should move back to my place.
My place is fine too, and besides, I'm afraid I won't get used to it.
My house has all the amenities we need, so we won't have to struggle.
I can't throw away this opportunity.